This is tonight's weather. Brought to you by none greater than God himself. Oh, look at all that up there. Oh, dear God. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. All that fucking... Gotta love cars going by with the headlights on. Makes the filming all that much better. Man. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that a beauty? Look how it's going down. Man, this is a good one. I gotta stop showing you guys. This is what you guys want to see. Right up here. Oh, wow. You guys aren't getting the full show. My camera can only show you so much. Let's see if that does you any better. Ooh. You see about what I'm getting to see now. Yeah, look at that. There's the sirens going off. Someone got hurt. Trains going by, squealing real loud. Probably shutting him down for the night. Ah, damn. I don't even think this is the worst of it either. What do we got coming over there? Man. What we got down there? Ooh, more lightning. Perfect timing. God, that was beautiful. Well, I'd love to stand out here all night and show you this, but I'm getting wet, so thank you. Have a nice night, everybody. Something doing. Oh, otherwise the wind's blowing. This is much better. It's not getting on my feet. Oh man, would you look at that? A little bit's coming in now. Oh, the wind's really fucking blowing. It's really blowing. Oh boy, look at that. Coming down. She's just pouring. Ooh. Talk about a wrath of God here. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That is something new. No, it's nothing new, but it's something beautiful. Storm as old as time. I hope you heard that thunder. Ooh, look at that lightning. Flash. Lit up the sky. That's magical right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at all that. That's an act of fucking God. She is a beauty. Ooh. Again, same as last video. I'm sorry about the poor cinematography, but that's the only way I can get you more in one night. I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to combine the two. Show people the short one with the start of it. Start at 2100 hours. And we'll just keep going with it. Keep it on. The idea of a short video sounded good, but this one can be a little longer. Oh my goodness. That's just coming in. I love it. Alright, boys and girls, that wind's getting savage, so we're going to let you go with that. Thank you.